Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, fairly healthy pullback. We are sort of going parabolic. As I said yesterday, we are curving to the downside. We are in a fairly strong zone, and I can extend it. I'm actually just going to put a couple of levels in here because there is a pin bar tail in amongst it, and then there's another fairly solid zone there. So you can see we sort of flirted with the first level at 37,837, and if I just go across, you'll see there is actually another little level in amongst that, and you can see a nice juicy pin bar on it, golfing bar, and then a range bar, so 37,744. So a lot going on in the US. Obviously it's earnings, it's a lot happening in the Middle East at the moment. You know, what is the US going to do? And then you still got the economy fears as well. So, or not the economy fears so much, but the rate cuts fears, or jitters as they're referring them to. For me at the moment, I think it's pretty important just to put the top of this range bar in as well, which is this one was formed the last 8 hours of the trading session. And then let's just go down and have a look at what's happening in amongst those levels. So first thing on the 3 hour you'll notice is a series of higher lows that have been forming. So a lot of times when that happens, it does look like what they're trying to do is form a flag, but they just haven't got a top of the flag yet. And then if you draw another level down here, I think I'm just going to take it from there to there, you'll see it's actually a triangle. I'm just going to get rid of this one, but we are parabolic as well, so this is not something that I want to be jumping in shorts on at the moment, especially not when price is up and down like it is in amongst the moving averages. So level to the upside, and there are two, so let's just get both of them in, is 38,066. So it's the high of yesterday. That is what would trigger longs for me at the moment. So I'm going to treat this as a range. Top of range is between 38,023 and 38,066, and the bottom of the range is 37,744. So I'm not looking for shorts. Clear on that. I'm really not interested in any shorts just yet. The 15-minute chart, you can see above the moving averages, then in amongst the moving averages, and then we just trailed below the 150 EMA here. So from a 50-minute perspective, breaking above the highs of yesterday and coming back and testing them, that would trigger the longs. I have zero interest in shorts. Okay, so do not like what I'm seeing. We're in a strong area of support on the higher time frames, and the higher time frame is still an uptrend. So I'm very reluctant to be just jumping in short down here. We start rejecting levels higher up, then we start looking for those shorts. But where we are now, this is a range. Treat it as a range. I want to see a break of 3,800 to the upside, pull back, come and test some structure. That would get me longs. Shorts, we'll see what happens. If it drops below 37,744, and it's going to have to drop below fairly strongly, then you may have opportunity down to 37,536, 37,432, 37,267. I'm not too sure that's what I want. I think we're probably going to get a much bigger pullback to the upside, and there's a target area right there, 38,231. So I think you're going to get a move up, test the top of this parabolic curve, come back, break through the parabolic curve, try and form a channel, and then try get moving again to the downside. So for me today, it's sit on hands until I get a break of yesterday's highs. My target area is going to be 38,231. That's kind of my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.